Today's video is about BMR, basal metabolic rate. I get asked, what the heck is that all the time? Today I'm going to try to answer that. Hi, my name is Jason Stevens, and thanks for watching Evolution 40 Fitness, where it's never too late to start living a fit and healthy lifestyle, even after 40. So today's video is a simple guide to BMR, our basal metabolic rate. Let's start out with the simplest of explanations of what BMR is. It's the amount of calories that your body needs to maintain life. Now, these are just the basic functions: breathing, heart rate, digestion. Okay? A lot of people get confused about how to figure out their BMR. And without a body scan, it's hard to get an exact BMR. But I'm going to give you a way to get a baseline, which is just an approximate BMR. And believe it or not, it's actually probably pretty accurate. Now, unless you're extremely lean, like 5 to 10% body fat, or you're in the very overweight to obese range. Now, those things will modify your BMR, but only slightly. Because remember, muscle utilizes energy and fat stores it. But even in those extremes, they do not modify your BMR much. Now, as long as your body mass index is close to a normal range, an easy way to figure out your BMR is to take your weight and multiply it by 10. So if you're 150 pounds, your BMR will be right around 1,500 calories. That's to maintain existence. Now, you might wonder how much being obese or being extremely lean will modify that number. So I'm going to give you my weight as an example. I weigh 180 pounds and my BMR is about 1,950 calories according to my latest body scan. Now, I maintain about 10 to 12% body fat year round. That means that my BMI is just slightly lower than average. But if you look at it, it only gave me an extra 150 calories. Now, if I was 180 pounds and 25% body fat, I would expect that BMR number to be more like 1,650 to 1,700 calories. So why is figuring your BMR so important? If you want to gain weight, you're going to eat in a calorie surplus. So you need to know your baseline. If you want to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit. So again, you need to know what your baseline is. Now, putting yourself in a slight calorie deficit to lose weight or a slight calorie surplus to gain weight is actually the healthiest and longer lasting way to modify your body composition. All right, so now that you have a general idea of what your BMR is, you need to start tracking your calories, which means you need to use a calorie or a fitness tracker. And you need to weigh your food. And you need to be honest with your calories in and the calories out to see if you're in a deficit for a loss or a surplus for a gain. All right, this is part one of a two-part video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about your macros, your macronutrients, the amount of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats you should be eating. Now, this is just going to be a basic starter guide for tracking your macros. So stay tuned for video 2 of this series. Thanks for watching Evolution 40 Fitness, and I'll see you next time.